Today
Mass Ocean.
to go get my kayak, Safi, that's the name of my kayak. And we have here Way with me,
Hi.
the team, and then Gemma.
Gemma.
Gemma, say hi.
Hi guys.
All right. Okay, well, let's go.
So first stop as always,
Coffee. Starbucks. Yeah, it's the usual
this is
routine.
the usual routine.
I dreamt all night of fishing.
Really?
Back to the same place we were fishing in. Outer Banks.
Outer Banks.
It was weird.
So here's the first one.
Thank you. Wait. It's your video stopper.
Here's the second.
Thank you very much.
And the third.
Thank you so much. Have a
Thank
great
you.
day. Thanks.
Cheers, ladies.
Cheers. Okay, city of Rockford. It was behind us. You know, they had this nice.
A little bit nicer.
Here we go, Main Street. Yeah. See, I think that's the hotel where we had the restaurant. No,
Yeah,
it's
that
on
one.
the other side.
That one right back there, the Embassy Suite. Yeah, this one. Here.
Ah, is it that one?
Mhm.
Yeah. The rooftop is a nice restaurant. Look at the river.
This is Rock River.
Actually, it's nice fishing. Just look at the sun. Oh, in the middle. Yeah, my. All right, we are getting close. Here is Rocktown. Okay. I don't know how they will bring my freaking trailer. It's 11:01. Wow. Amazing.
So we've just arrived at Rocktown Adventures. Gear up and head out. We're here to collect the kayak. Kawtar's gathering her gear.
All right. Thank you, Wade. Go get your kayak.
Yeah.
Safi.
We've waited for this day for a long time.
Oh my God, since January. Even if I would buy like a house, it would be faster.
This is the little store.
Freestyle. Good. How are you, my friend?
Good. How are you?
I'm good.
I'll get you here in a second.
Okay, no problem.
let's just say
I
that-
brought this.
Sweet.
All of it.
Cool. Yeah, I'll get you here in a second.
All right. Take your time. We have a bathroom there.
Yeah. Let's just take a look at all of the gear. All the kayak collection. This is great stuff.
Not very strict. Yeah. If you're going kayak, it just usually rents. Okay, you want to start at the back or the front?
Anything you want to start with.
Okay, so up here in the front, the motor removes real easy. All you do is pull this, and that comes right off.
Okay.
So
nice.
setting it back on, it's got that extra square, you know, so it's
Okay.
on there. You just slide this in, and then make sure
Oh,
it clips
okay.
in.
Okay.
So that's super easy. For your power, this plugs in right here.
Oh, nice.
It'll go right in like that.
Okay.
The groove is always up,
Okay.
So that's that. I left the cable long in case you ever,
Okay.
you know, get a different boat, you put it on something else. Dashboard, obviously, you got storage in here.
Okay.
This is all your charger stuff
Okay.
for your phone. Yep, yep. So same thing, when you go to set up, this just plugs right in there.
Okay.
Your battery's in here.
Okay, so I can charge it just there.
Yeah, so I
Or
got
take it out even.
I got the same battery. Yeah, I would take it out. Like I wouldn't haul this like when you're on the road. I wouldn't leave the battery
I
back
see.
here.
Okay.
That's a lot of money floating around back there.
Okay. So I put it in the trunk.
Yeah, just put it in the trunk.
And how about the motor?
I would do the same thing. This just slides in the back, this back hole here. So that's in. You can lift up the back end and then all you do is pick up the front end to wheel it down the boat ramp or whatever.
So
And then for your fish finder,
yes.
this just drops right over the side of the boat. So that would just go right over the side and into the water. And that'll be straight up and down.
Oh, okay.
And then when you're coming in, that goes up. Should be plugged in here. Powers right up.
Nice. And it has its own battery too.
Yeah, that battery's down here. Put that in.
Thanks, John. It's good to have a video.
Yeah. In case we have questions, you can go back and
So
review.
almost everything take apart, right? Just leave this
Yeah,
here.
yeah. I mean, the seat you could leave on.
Yeah.
There's a little strap here. Just fold it down and strap that.
Yeah.
So that'll be totally good.
There's control.
So this is a control for your motor.
Do I have to calibrate it? Because I saw sometimes people doing some turn.
Yeah, you should try to do that.
Okay.
Follow their instructions.
Instructions.
I've never done it.
Okay.
I know a couple guys that have.
Okay.
It takes a couple minutes.
Okay,
It's
yeah.
super easy.
Okay.
But if you hit the motor and then the
Oh, it's
plus will
turning.
make you go faster.
Nice.
Minus, slow down. And then when it's down, this will go left or right.
Okay. And how about the position fixed? It's there, the anchor?
It's the anchor butt. And then same thing, when you get back to the dock, you just push this, that'll release it, and then slide it back, and you'll hear it lock when this is all the way up.
Is it balanced?
We'll try it.
Yeah, you'll have no issues with this.
Because that's why I chose it.
Yeah.
Because they say it's the most stable.
Yeah, I could stand in this and walk all around that boat.
Okay.
If you ever flip this boat, I'll give you $1,000. How about that?
I like
She's gonna
that.
go to the lake right now and try flipping it, right?
Oh, she's a
don't
great
leave-
swimmer. Don't worry.
Yeah, just don't leave everything on there. Okay?
Yeah. So much adventure for you, girl. You are going to have a buddy soon. What's the name of the buddy?
Yes.
Safi. Safi girl. Safi and Layla.
And what does Safi come from? What's the meaning behind the name?
Oh, Safi is a short, little boat in Arabic called Safina. Safina. And so she is a little kayak, a big kayak called Safi. Little Safina. So sexy. That's good. I don't know why always they give us the worst table.
I don't know.
Fresco at the gardens again. Before we get the trailer and we get stuck where we cannot park, we are very hungry. Nobody got any breakfast other than our latte. So we are here. Fresco at the garden. Very nice. I think it's newly opened. Only they have breakfast and lunch. Just to make sure I'm not the only one here. Our camera woman, Gemma, and our friend and cheerleader Way. Chips. We have like tapas.
Okay, what is this Kawtar? Which one's which?
This is the lobster rolls. You can see them beautiful with chips. Thank you.
Mango salad.
Thank you so much. This is sliders.
Beef slider.
And this is mango strawberry salad. We are going to enjoy all of it.
Yep.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Yeah, I take a picture of the forest.
Sounds very pretty outside.
Good. Left turn signal.
Right.
Oh, she did right. Yeah, now do left. Cool. Brakes.
Yep.
Awesome.
All
It's
working.
good.
They did something right.
Okay, everybody meet Travis Turner.
Yeah.
He's the one who helped us with our kayak today.
Store manager.
So.
What is store?
Store manager, and here's the store.
Yes.
Well, you already took a video of the store.
Yeah, but
But
you
introduce,
have a variety of what type of kayaks? I mean,
So we carry fishing kayaks, pedal drive kayaks, motor kayaks, fishing kayaks. Then typically on this rack, it's been a hot year.
yeah.
This is our luxury recreational kayaks. So Pungo 120s, Old Town Loon 120s, everything just to get you out. the very first time.
Okay.
Then on this rack would be our day touring kayaks. It's a little bit smaller. You know, kayaks made to do multi-day trips in. They're made for speed and agility.
Very
Then we carry a bunch of other
nice.
cool stuff like
Yeah.
Yakima roof racks, paddles.
All kinds of gear.
Wait, there's more.
Yeah, clothing.
Very limited.
Hiking gear, camping gear,
Oh,
tents, stoves.
this is awesome.
Nice.
So we're out in Rockford, Illinois,
This one here, this is kind of
taking a tour of Travis's
So
store.
when I'm driving it, I don't need to cover it.
Where's
No.
cover?
No.
You get a cover?
You know, yeah.
But like 3 times of
Thanks, Brian.
Here you go.
All right, we
so much.
appreciate it
No
so
problem.
much.
Hey, go catch a big one.
All right.
Send me a text message
I
when you
will.
catch your first fish. I don't
will.
care how big it is.
I know.
We will.
Alright, see you guys. We'd like to see it.
You underestimate.
Yeah. Thank you, Travis.
You're welcome.
Bye, Charles.
I'll see you. Take care, Kawtar. If you have any questions,
We
let
keep
me
in touch. Thank you.
stay in touch.
Thank you so much.
I'm gonna continue cleaning boats.
Yeah.
Hard work.
Alright.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
As much as they
Oh, good.
Oh,
This
good.
Thank you so much, Travis.
You're welcome. Give it hell.
Take care, my friend.
You too.
I'll send you a picture of my first.
Please do.